it's no longer time to be in denial of the fact that the world is going into a bit of an economic crisis, which is feeling a lot right now. So in times like this, we need more guidance on how to go about our lives, and this can also have to do with our beauty journey, our skincare journey, and all of that. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing tips with you on how to cut costs and navigate your beauty and skincare routine while saving money during the cost of living crisis. My channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Dikoko. I hope that you find that my channel has so much value when it comes to skincare, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is something that you'll be interested in, definitely make sure that you subscribe and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post the video. And hey, my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning back in today. I'm always happy to have you guys, and you all know that already. So, how to save more while maintaining a beauty and skincare regimen during the cost of living crisis. You guys know that apart from sharing skincare tips and tricks and recommendations and all of that good stuff with you, I also find ways that I can help you save money when you're shopping, because my aim is not to get you guys to spend a whole lot of money on beauty and skincare products, because then you're just enriching people that are providing you with these things. My aim is to help you get a beauty regimen or routine that works for you. If we can cut costs, even better for us, while getting the best out of our beauty and skincare regimen. So my first tip on how to make the best out of this situation is focusing on the basics. Now what I mean by basics is what your skin actually needs. As long as skincare is concerned, what you need is a cleanser, a moisturizer, and SPF. I shared that in one of my videos for how to create an effective skincare routine on a budget for even beginners. You don't have to have a lot of products, you just need the basics. Like I said, as long as you have a cleanser, a moisturizer, and SPF for your face and your body, then you're good to go. Number 2 point on how to get the best out of this situation is focusing on multi-purpose products. Now looking out for products that would contain more than one active ingredient that you would need for your skin at a time would go a long way in helping you save money in buying different products that contain different active ingredients, if you get what I mean. So now let's say you're looking to buy products that contain, let's say, niacinamide and maybe an exfoliant of some sort. So now what you want to do is actually look out for products that would contain those two active ingredients in one, so you don't spend money buying one and the other. That, my queens, would help you save a lot more money. Another tip that I wanted to share is substituting some products for some. For example, I've told you guys that I have greatly migrated from using moisturizers during the daytime to just using my sunscreen, due for the fact that you'd have to reapply your sunscreen a lot of times during the day. So I just skip the moisturizing step and I use a sunscreen that serves as a moisturizer and sunscreen in one. Pretty much almost the same like the point that I mentioned earlier, like getting multi-purpose products, but in this case you're eradicating one for one. For me, I have different moisturizers that I use on my skin, but I'm trying to get them to last longer. I don't want to spend money on skincare all the time. As you guys know, I'm a skincare person, so I would get to spend money on these things. So I'm trying to limit how much I spend while getting the best out of my skincare products. So yeah, substituting one product for another could be a great way to help you get the best out of the situation during this economic crisis. Now the next point that I want to share is focusing on specifics and ingredients. Now know what your skin needs, know what you're going for. Don't just buy everything that you see on the shelf or everything that TikTok is saying, the internet is saying, your favorite influencer is saying. This will just get you spending a whole lot of money and just putting big bucks in their pocket. Meanwhile, you could have just done better with lesser products. So focus on what your skin needs, what your body needs if it's something that you're taking internally, and other things that you really need for your beauty regimen. Just know that as far as we are concerned, as long as the world is evolving, there will always be products to buy. Now for this particular topic, to go further into this, you can check out other videos on my channel to help you navigate your beauty regimen, what you need for your skin at a certain time, so that you don't go around just buying everything, because companies are always going to make products and they are relying on you to survive. So your money is important to them. As much as we don't want people running out of businesses and all of that, we also don't want to run our pockets dry trying to acquire these things. So do the best that you can do for yourself while getting the best out of the situation. Now the next point I want to share is almost the same like I have said, but this one has to do with focusing on what your skin needs. Now that would mean that you have to know your skin type, you have to know what issues that you're dealing with, if any at all. Now this particular point will help you with other points, because if you know your skin type, know what your skin needs, then it will help you focus on the specifics and ingredients. It will also help you tailor your beauty routine in general. So knowing your skin and focusing on your skin and what your skin needs would greatly help you save money while shopping for skincare products. Now the next point I want to mention has to do a lot more with planning, and this would be making a budget for your skincare regimen or your beauty regimen. Now for what I do, I am a skincare creator, a beauty creator, so I have a budget, or I have how many products I want to include in my beauty shelf in a month. Now it shouldn't be the same with you. I am creating content with this thing, I am making money off this thing, so unless you're doing what I am doing, you have no reason whatsoever to stock your beauty closet with a whole lot of products. You are not a lab rat. I am your lab rat here. Now even as a beauty and skincare creator, I do not go above including 5 products a month in my beauty shelf, and this includes even repurchases of products that I am currently using already. Now because I have tailored my budget to fit only 5 products in a month when I'm shopping for my skincare products, let's say I run out of 2 products, then I'll repurchase those 2 if I want them again, and now I have just 3 slots left for new products to try. Now that is currently how I am navigating my beauty stash at the moment to help me budget more and save money, because everything is getting expensive now and I do not have the coins to give out, you know. So I'm doing the best that I can for myself as well. Now you as a person, you don't need to include 5 products into your beauty stash except you run out of all of your products. You can make your budget fit your lifestyle and your skin needs, or what you actually need to buy. All you need to do is create a budget for what you actually need and then go on ahead to get that. Now this next point is a broad one. This will greatly depend on where you live, the privileges or the access that you have to certain skincare products and brands, and this would be using your coupons, using your discount codes. You can always check out people that you're following that create content. They would most likely have discount code for some products. Now if you're shopping online, or let's say you're shopping in store, you can always ask questions to know if there's like discounts or there's like discount codes or coupons that would help you just take some money off what you're trying to purchase. And another thing that you can do is look out for when your favorite stores or brands are doing their sales, so you can shop during that period. And I'll also advise that you save larger purchases for during sales. That way you get a lot of value with the things that you're shopping for, and you don't get to spend as much as you would have spent if there was no sales. Another thing I wanted to say is make sure that you ask for loyalty cards in places like Sephora, any beauty supply store that you shop from. Those loyalty cards will definitely save you. It has saved me a couple of times. Like I would take some products, get to the shelf, and then I'm trying to pay, and then when I see the price slash that the loyalty card gives me, I'm always like in shock. So what if I didn't use this card? I would have just paid all that money. Sometimes they sell the loyalty cards for a fee, very little fee. Just make sure you buy it, have it in your wallet. Whenever you're shopping, whip out your loyalty card and give it to them, and I promise you it might not do a lot, but that money can go a long way in helping you do something else. Now for the last point that I want to share in this video today, this might look like it's getting you to spend a lot of money, but in the long run is usually more beneficial, and that would be making sure to invest in quality items. And this doesn't have to do with skincare alone, even your other beauty products like your hair dryers, hair straightener, all of those electric appliances that just help to make your life easier when you're getting ready. Now you want to make sure that you invest in like quality ones, so that they don't get spoiled real quick and then you're trying to buy another one, then you end up spending more money trying to buy every single time. Make sure you invest in something great. Now for me, when I wanted to invest in hair appliances like my straightener, my coiler, and all of that, I spoke to my friend who is greatly experienced in laying her own hair, and then she recommended some good brands where I could get some quality hair tools, and I kid you not, I have gotten these hair tools and they work so well. Now when considering cost per use, if you invest in quality items, you realize that you end up using that item for a longer time repeatedly. So if you want to calculate how much you're actually using the item, you realize that it's actually what the money you spent getting the item. And if the item is quality enough and lasts you long enough, then you end up getting more use out of it than the money that you actually spent on it. And then it also saves you repeated purchases if you were buying low quality items. So yeah, it's a wrap, and that would be my tips to help you save money and budget well for your beauty purchases during this economic crisis. If you have any tip that you want to share with us to help us make better buying decisions during this trying time, please drop it in the comment section. It will go a long way in helping me and someone out there. And also, if you have any question for me or any video idea that you would like me to film, you can drop it in the comment section as well, and I'll do well to film it for you. And if you just want me to know that you were here on this channel today, please drop some love hearts in the comment section. I love to see that one. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please thumbs up this video and share this video with your friends and family to also help someone out there. And if you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. And as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I pray that we come out of these trying times together. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Mwah.